When we hear the phrase "hula is life," it reminds me of my kumu's Kumu Hula Maiki Ayu Lake, and she said that hula expresses all that we hear, see, smell, touch, taste, and feel. Hula is life. So the emotions, the beautiful things, the challenging things, the stories of Hi'iaka Ikapolio Pele, where much of our hula tradition centers around, has to do with obstacles and challenges. But it's not so much the obstacles and challenges, it's more about how to get through them. And also the family values and the human values and the le'a, the joy, and the kolohe, the being rascal, but also being very serious and being very ceremonial at certain times. So when Auntie Maiki Ayu says that hula is life, I believe it really is a reflection of many aspects of human life, and it causes me to think deeply sometimes, and I'm glad I have that in my mind to remember my Kumu Hula, Maiki Ayu Lake.